Here are the 5 proven and winning ways to make money online that you can start immediately. Some of them I've used them and some of them I'm still using them to earn money online. When I decided that I wanted to start making money online, I researched and went to find out platforms and companies that are legit that I can start using to make money online. So I don't want you to waste your time. That's why I always recommend companies as well as platforms that are legit, that are going to pay you real money. I've done a lot of videos before. I've shared my own experience. And also in the comment section, you always mention how grateful you are that I am sharing authentic and legit ways of making money online. So here are the 5 of the things that are still winning till this day. There's a lot of other ones, but these ones have been used and proven before, and they are still working. If anyone from anywhere, any age can do these side hustles. I want just to give you a list of the things that you can do, but I'm also going to take you through each one. The first one, it is e-commerce. E-commerce, it is an online store. You can create your own online store and have products that you can put on your website that you can sell to people. So e-commerce has been there for a very long time. So when I started it as a drop shipping, when there was a lot of people doing drop shipping, and I was also doing it. And you can also start your own, especially now towards the end of the year. It's festive season. A lot of people are buying a lot of gifts for their loved ones. So I would say that when you are starting, try to target your country first. The reason for that is because you know your own people and you know like what is it that they like. So you can create a store, you can sell things like bags, sunglasses, shoes. You can even do the print on demand where you can sell t-shirts, hoodies. You can do a lot of things. A lot of other people, they are selling hair care stuff. They're selling shampoos, moisturizers, as well as serums for hair. So you can choose which site you want to go to. But first of all, sell something that you know that people are going to love and people are going to buy. So you can do your own research in terms of like, what is it that you can sell? What is it that is going to be very easy for you to do? Do not get intimidated and think to yourself, where can I start in terms of like building my own website? Because you can use things like Shopify. Shopify can start for only $1 a month for over 3 months. It is very easy for you to use their platform. It is not that complicated. They have customizable templates that you can use to design your free website by just dragging and dropping templates and launch your store quickly and easy. So Shopify takes care of everything from marketing and payments to secure transactions and shipping. So when your store is up, you will need to buy a domain name with affordable place. So I would suggest that you can use Namecheap. So for an example, if you are asking yourself what is a domain name, so domain name is when you have a website. For an example, I can create a website and say ntombi.co.za. But sometimes if you are using places like Shopify, my domain name, if I do not buy a domain name, can go like ntombi.shopify.com. And the reason why there's Shopify there is because I'm using the platform. But to get rid of that, you need to buy a domain name. So it can be very expensive to buy a domain name. If you use Namecheap, you can get your domain name for only $6 for the entire year. And also when you have your domain name, your website looks legit and then people can start trusting you and buying from you. But if you want to get started, I'll leave all the links in the description box down below for both Namecheap as well as Shopify. After you have your store up and running, the next thing is going to be you advertising or marketing your products so that you can get people who are going to come or traffic that is going to come to your store. So that's where marketing or maybe social media is going to come in. So don't think that you only need to have a lot of following on Instagram, on TikTok in order for you to make this work. You can use TikTok to advertise and using organic content. Organic content is when you just create content like you would if you were just creating content for your own social media platform. So I've seen this other girl who's selling bags as well as sunglasses. She just create a very good background. She's not even showing her face, and then she just shows sunglasses that she has, and she's using good editing skills, and then she just shows different shades and using maybe a trending song, and then people do place orders, like they ask how much is this, and then she always send them to the link on her bio. So you can do the same thing. It's just organic content that you can create and people will buy from you, as long as you make sure that your website is running smoothly and you also have a domain name that looks legit. People are going to go to your store and start buying. So when it comes to the amount of money that you can make on the platform, it will depend on the nature of your business. So it depends what are you selling. Of course, someone who's going to sell a hair care product, and the amount of money that she's going to make or he's going to make won't be equivalent or even come close to someone who's going to sell shades, do you understand, or sunglasses. So it will depend on the nature of your business, what is it that you're selling, and your amount of money will be determined by that. It shows that a lot of people that are starting up on Shopify can make anything from $3,000 to $10,000 or more per month. So it will depend depend on the nature of your business. So now let's go and move on to our second way of making money online. The second thing that is still winning, it is teaching English online. So I started here. So when I started coming here online and trying to make some coins, I started with teaching. So teaching online, I've made lots of videos. You can go back to my channel and check lots of videos that I have made when it comes to the companies that are hiring, especially in the teaching industry or teaching English online. So if you are interested, you can go back and watch those videos. You can also go to places like Preply. What is nice about Preply is that on this platform, you can set your own rates. So you can start maybe from $3 or $5 or $10. It will depend on your experience. All you need in order for you to start teaching online or teaching English online is to have a teaching certificate, which is called a TEFL certificate, teaching English as a foreign language. So you can get the certificate from Teacher Record, and they are offering this certificate for absolutely free. So when you get there, just go, or maybe I'm going to leave a link down below for Teacher Record. Just go over there, click and start creating your account. Then you can click where it says a TEFL certificate, and then you can complete your 120-hour TEFL certificate for absolutely free. So you can just finish it within a week or even less than that. It is not that difficult. After you have obtained your certificate, then you can go to Preply, start applying, and you can also start attaching your certificate, and then after that you do a video. So when you are doing a video, make sure that you speak slowly. Bear in mind that you are going to be speaking with people who are not fluent in English, who want to learn to speak the language. So it will be better that you speak slowly, clearly, and smile when you do so, so that you can get a lot of people who are going to want to do sessions with you. We can also use Teacher Record to look for jobs as well, because they do offer jobs. And what I like about the platform is that they do not require a lot of experience or qualifications. So if you can come over here, you can browse and see a lot of jobs from Chinese companies in Japan, many other companies. They come over here and they do advertise, and most of the time they even want people that are not native speakers in English, as long as they are able to speak English fluently and they are able to teach or have the TEFL certificate. You are most welcome. So there's a lot of jobs that you can browse through and see which ones are going to be good for you. So you can make anything from $3 up to $23 per hour teaching on these platforms. Or if you are starting from Preply, most people, they start with $5 or $3 so that they can get students. If you've got a degree, maybe you can earn more, maybe $10 per hour or plus. So the third way of making money online, or maybe a third hustle that you can do, it is called freelancing. Freelancing is when you're offering your services for a company or an individual, and then they pay you for that. For example, if I want someone who can do a data entry for me, and then I can give you money for doing that. Or maybe if someone is running a small business and that person needs a customer service, a person or agent, then they can just go to Upwork and post, and then that's how you can make money. So basically what I love the most about freelancing is that you don't have to go and get the skills that you do not have. You don't have to worry about a lot, but you can use the skills that you already have, especially if you are a person who is more experienced, maybe in a certain field. However, if you are a person who does not have much experience, you can go and learn a skill that you can specialize. You can go to platforms like Upwork, People Per Hour. People Per Hour is also another platform for freelancers. Job seekers, they come to this platform, as well as employers, they come to this platform to look for talent. So it is a great place if you are starting out, or maybe you want ways of making money online, you can come over here. So some of the jobs that you can actually do over here, you can do data entry jobs, you can do call center jobs, and there's a lot of tech jobs that you can also do on the platform. Some of the tips that I can give you if you want to stand out on these platforms: when you send your proposal, get to the point. Those people are looking at numerous proposals, so they really do not have time to read long proposals, even if you're good for the job. And make sure as well that you are doing a very good portfolio. Fix your portfolio, make sure that you've got professional pictures. Just make sure that you go out there and send proposal all the time. So if you want to know more about freelancing, you want to know how you can go more about it, I have a video that I created, and I am going to link it on the description box down below, but I'm also going to link it over here. You can check here on the cards. I'm going to leave it there. It's just a step-by-step video that is going to clarify everything if you are more interested with freelancing. You can make anything from $15 up to $40 per hour. It will depend on what kind of a job you're doing. You are copywriting or you are editing, or it will depend what job are you doing. Now let's move on to our fourth ways of making money online. Another way, which is the fourth way, it is starting your own YouTube channel. So I think a lot of people should be on YouTube by now. I mean, like, a lot of people are online as we speak. They are on different platforms, but I think you should be having your own YouTube channel, and you don't have to do it full time. You can do it part time. So there are a lot of creators who are actually earning and using the YouTube space as their main source of income. So I've seen people who are 60, 40, 50 who are starting their own YouTube channels because they've got a lot to give. There's a lot that we can take from them. There's a lot that we can learn from them. So you can do anything, like even if you are starting a cooking channel or if you are passionate about that. But I would say have a strategy, have a plan, have an idea, and knowing exactly what is it that you are going to do. There's so many ways of monetizing social media in general, through affiliate links, through AdSense, but we can also back some brand deals. You can even, guys, start getting brand deals with just small followers, like 500, 600 followers. And I was only under 2,000 subscribers when I had my first brand deal. So people can see you out there, they will come and approach you, and you can start working with brands. Okay, so it is one of the great opportunities. It's still working, it's still winning, and a lot of people are still using it. Now let's move on to the third and the last way of making money online, which is selling a course online. To actually start selling a course, all you need is an idea. But I would say you cannot just sell anything, but it has to be something that you are very good at, something that you know that a lot of people need. It's something that you know that a lot of people can buy from you. So you cannot just, create a course about anything, but you need to do your thorough research. But a lot of people, using their experiences as well as the knowledge they have for years, they are creating courses and sell that to individuals. But you need to be a good teacher. But I think that is something that you can learn. Even if you learn from YouTube, watching videos on YouTube on how you can go about it, there's tons and tons of videos that you can go through. You can even take a course yourself. After that, you will have the confidence to start creating your own, selling some information that you know that people do not know, information that is going to help and equip somebody else, that because for an example, if someone can come and say that I know this thing and I am doing it, I can buy that course because I want to learn more, especially from someone who are still doing that because they've got experience about it and they are still doing it. So they've got more info because they are still in the industry. So it makes sense to learn from them than to spend lots of your time collecting information that when you maybe by the time you are ready to do what you want to do, you are so late because the information that you have is outdated. Don't think that you can only be limited just because you need to have certain degrees or have graduated how many times. People are selling their knowledge online and they are making money out of it. You can do the same thing as well. You can use Teachable, Skillshare, and Udemy and just start creating your own course on those platforms. You do not need a following online, just the ability to market your product well like any other business. So you don't need to be an influencer or a creator or to have a lot of followers for your course to work. Your course can still work as long as you know how to advertise your products and your services that you have for the people that you will be selling to. You can even use like paid ads, and then people would reach out because they see your advertisement maybe on social media. They will click and buy your course if they love it, if it's something that they need. But of course, when you are going to sell a course, a lot of research has to go through, even if you've got all the information in the world, but you still need to do your research thoroughly. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was very informative. So these are the ways that I can still use today to make money online, that I've used some of them, that I still use most of them to make extra money, that they are still winning and they are still the legit and authentic ways of making money online that anyone from anywhere can do. If you find this video very valuable, please do comment in the comment section, ask any question, like the video, share it with someone that you think might like the video. I will see you on this video over here. Watch this video next. I'll see you in this video. Bye, guys.